Let's start with the kitchen first. Let's start with the kitchen first. I need to clean my room today. I need to clean my room today. I am washing the dirty dishes. I am washing the dirty dishes.
Please dry the dishes with a towel. Please dry the dishes with a towel.
I am sweeping the kitchen floor. I am sweeping the kitchen floor. The trash can is full again. I will take out the trash now. I will take out the trash now.
Can you wipe the kitchen table? Can you wipe the kitchen table?
I am wiping the counter clean. I am wiping the counter clean. Let's clean the stove together. Let's clean the stove together. Please don't walk on the wet floor. Please don't walk on the wet floor. I am mopping the floor now. I am mopping the floor now. I am vacuuming the living room. I am vacuuming the living room. The carpet looks very dusty today. The carpet looks very dusty today. I need to dust the shelves. I need to dust the shelves.
Please dust the television screen too.
Please dust the television screen too. I am cleaning the windows now. The windows look so clear now. The windows look so clear now. Let's organize the living room. Let's organize the living room. Please put the pillows back neatly. Please put the pillows back neatly. I am doing the laundry today. I am doing the laundry today. I will wash the clothes now. I will wash the clothes now. Put the dirty clothes in the basket. Put the dirty clothes in the basket.
The washing machine is running loudly. The washing machine is running loudly.
Let's fold the clean clothes together. Let's fold the clean clothes together.
Please hang the shirts in the closet. Please hang the shirts in the closet.
I need to clean the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom.
Please fix the pillows nicely. Please fix the pillows nicely. Please clean the mirror too. Please clean the mirror too.
I am scrubbing the bathroom sink. I am scrubbing the bathroom sink. Let's throw away old magazines. Let's throw away old magazines. I am cleaning the toilet now. I am cleaning the toilet now. I am organizing my closet today. I am organizing my closet today. Let's donate clothes we don't wear. Let's donate clothes we don't wear. The house looks so clean now. The house looks so clean now. Let's relax after all this cleaning. Let's relax after all this cleaning. Cleaning day is finally finished. Cleaning day is finally finished.
See you next time for more English. See you next time for more English.